Hi friends! Today I'm going to do a few pages out of my Create This book. If you've never heard of it, Create This book is an art prompt book by Moriah Elizabeth. I suggest checking out her channel. She has a ton of videos of her working on it that are super entertaining. The first page I'm going to do says Create a collection, start a collection, document it here. I'm going to document my nail polish collection. I would say it's more of an obsession at this point. It started when a friend gave me a giant box of nail polishes she was getting rid of, and it only spiraled from there. I started out drawing some rectangular bottles with these gel pens that I got from Five Below. I'm really surprised with the quality of them. The ink flows so smoothly. After I used every color to make rectangular bottles, I thought the page needed more, so I added some smaller bottles in different shapes.
Excuse me? Hello? Anyone there? What you doing down there?
I used a black glitter gel pen to fill in the handles. This turned out to be a waste of time. I ended up hating it and I changed it later. I used real nail polishes to fill in the bottles. Glitter polish is by far my favorite, so I thought it would pop really well on the page, but I did end up having to do 2 coats to keep it from looking streaky. And then for some reason, I lost all the footage after this. So let me break down what I did. I painted the background in rainbow with watercolors, outlined the bottles with a black felt tip, colored over the handles with a black marker, added white highlights with acrylic paint, and added white and silver stars and dots for some sparkle. This page has a lot going on, and it didn't really turn out how I initially planned, but I actually kind of like it. The next page I'm doing says create the following lists, things you like. First I chose nail polish. I swear it doesn't take over my life as much as it has this video. I also like rainbows, sharks, and murder? Just kidding, it's true crime. I'm coloring these in with colored pencils in a blocky cartoon sort of way. My favorite color is actually pink, but I just think rainbows are so bright and happy, and I love putting them on everything. I truly do love sharks. One of my dreams is to see a great white. I'll be in a cage though, because I prefer to stay bite-free. I don't even really like plain red nail polish, so I'm not sure why I chose that as the color to use. I think part of the reason that I love true crime is that I'm suspicious of everyone at all times. I love this page, it's so cute. Now for the other page, things I dislike. I don't know what happened here. There are plenty of things I dislike on any normal day, but on the day I did this page, I was struggling to think of anything. So I came up with spiders, the smell of roses, pickles, and beer. I try to be at least tolerant of spiders when they're outside, in nature, where they belong. but I definitely don't love them, and when they somehow invite themselves into my house, well, they gotta go. Roses I actually think are really pretty to look at, but I just don't like the smell. A lot of perfumes and lotions are rose scented, and something about it just bothers me. It's like the ghost of a grandma is lurking behind me. For pickles, it's specifically the taste that I don't like. I actually love the smell of pickles. Or I guess the smell of brine. And this little pickle is actually really cute. Another taste I don't like, beer. I've tried all different kinds and they all just taste like... I finally realized that I was missing the label on beer. Wouldn't want someone to think it was a giant mug of something else. That's all for this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.